Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 of this. Just yesterday I made this and I wasn't happy with the coloration because when I enveloped it, it changed the colors. So I'm going to use these exact same boxes. They're grouped together, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, the envelope from here and then put the color in maybe later. So let's smart fill this and let's nudge that over twice. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to take my boxes. I'm going to go to effects and envelope, and I'm going to go to create from envelope form, and I'm going to put them in the form. And then I'm going to shift select this, and I'm going to go EC, and then I can grab that and move it over. Well, see, I grabbed the wrong thing, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to grab this. Now I can go ahead and delete all this because I'm working in the center of the page, and I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to hold down the Alt key so when I swipe through the circles, they'll disappear. Now I'm going to add the color, and we'll see if this works. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to go ahead and smart fill it, and I'm going to use yellow, and I'm going to smart fill each one. You've got to have a fill color in there for this to work. And then I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to use the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to swipe across, and I'm going to put red in that corner. And you could swap these around, but I'm not going to in this video. Then get the attribute eyedropper and take a sample of that and then drop it in there. And as you can see, every one of them now is the same. Now, I'm pretty sure we got to group this together. Matter of fact, I'm going to take away the outline, and I'm going to Control G to group it. Now we're working in the center of the page, so I can use my alternate C to do it. So I'm going to Control G to group it, alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page, and I'm going to rotate it 20, no, evidently I didn't put a Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 20 degrees. Control D all the way around. So now my colors stayed the same. I actually made another copy, so I'm going to delete it. Let's bring in the black box effect and just look at the difference between the two. Where before the envelope tool changed the colors when it went into the envelope, but on my new one, the new way in part 2, and that's still kind of cool looking, but well, let me group this. I should have had them all grouped together. Let me back up, get that over there. Let me go ahead and group this one. Control G. See, that's not a group, so I'm going to Control G to group that. And let me put them side by side. And let me go ahead and get a new box. Put a rectangle around there. Fill it with black. Go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. And look at the difference. I like this one a lot better because the envelope changed the color. So this is something you could do if you ever want to try that. So anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.